Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to see system reliability. There are two forms of system reliability. The first one is series, and the second one is parallel. So it is just like the circuit combination thing. Series configuration is also called as non-redundant, and just like connecting the circuits components of circuits in parallel it is also kind of same. So configuration 1 aligned with configuration 2, directly aligned with configuration 2, directly aligned with configuration 3, until configuration n. This is the reliability of C1, reliability of C2, and Rn is the reliability of Cn. So now probability. So uh, probability of RS, that is reliability series of system reliability of like a series configuration is given by, if there are two systems, like assume this C1 is connected with C2, only two systems are there, then the PRS would be nothing but PC1, that is and C2. Or we can just say it as PC1 into PC2, assuming C1 and C2 are independent. So we can also write PS is equals to R1 dot R2. Next is parallel or redundant configuration. Just like we connect circuits in parallel, it is also kind of same like resistors in parallel. So it is also kind of same. This is configuration C1, this is configuration C2, and this is configuration C3. Till Cn you can give. So then we will give as RP, that is for redundant configuration, it is P C1 or C2 or both. So it is given by C1 or C2. Then we'll just add. So PC1 plus PC2 minus, that is, or both. Okay, so minus PC1 and PC2, that would result in this. This you must have read in sets in class 11 sets. We had this chapter, right? This is this formula. So then PC1 plus PC2 minus PC1 into PC2, and is nothing but multiplication. So PC1 is R1, reliability of C1. PC2 is R2, reliability of C2, and PC1 R1 into PC2 R2. This system is for two configuration. C1, this is C1, and this is C2, connected in parallel. So this can be remodified and written as 1 minus 1 uh, minus R2 into 1 minus R1 into 1 minus R2, and so on till whatever you want. Like if there was three system, then 1 minus R3 into 1 minus R4 till whatever Rn, 1 minus Rn. So this is the kind of configuration, example configuration. So electric circuit consists of 5 silicon transistors, 3 silicon diodes, and 10 composition resistors, and 2 ceramic capacitors connected in series configuration. The failure rate of each component is given by, the failure rate is given like hazard function of T, failure rate, silicon diode, silicon transistor, composition resistor, ceramic capacitor is given. Calculate the reliability of the circuit for 10 hours when the component follows uh, exponential distribution. So in exponential distribution, what we do is these are connected in series. Just see that. So RS series would be, what is the formula? R1 into R2 into R3 into R4, because there are four components, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now put the formula. What is the connected in exponential form? So E minus that is lambda 1 t. Lambda 1 is nothing but the functions. Okay, uh, the failure rate. First for RS, that is RS is this one. Then uh, no, sorry, not RS. R1 is for silicon transistor, R2 is for silicon diode, R3 is for composition resistor, and R4 is for ceramic capacitor. So just write the functions. like a formula that for lambda 1 is for this silicon transistor, lambda 2 is for silicon diode, and respectively lambda 3 and lambda 4 for a composition resistor and ceramic capacitor. So just put the lambda values here. So we have put all the lambda values accordingly, and then we'll get this. So this is the implication after putting the values. So now it is given us for reliability for 10 hours. So replace T with 10. So 10 T 10 replace T with lambda T with these values 4 into 5 to the power minus 10 to the power minus 5, and all these values will get this, and then it would come as e to the power minus 0.0269, and this would be the final value. So this is the final result. Reliability of the circuit for 10 hours when the components follow exponential distribution. Now, maintainability. So, reliability under preventive maintenance. So, RMT, reliability under preventive maintenance, is given by R of t to the power n into R of t minus n into capital T. So this would be like similar to what we did in like uh, hazard function and all, like f of t density function, then finding the reliability. So this would be as similar as that. So here moment generating function would be given by this formula, that is 0 to infinity RT dt divided by 1 minus R of capital T. Here capital T is nothing but period, and n is the number of maintenance. This is the n. Then probability under repair maintenance is given by m of t is equals to probability capital T, that is period, less than equal to t, that is time given. So it would be given by the formula 0 to t m of t. This would be the function, maintenance function given to you, where mt is the ptf of t, probability density function. So MTTR, that is moment generating function, would come as this is the derivation. You need not see the derivation. This would be the final answer. Just remember this operation. Okay, so in the next class we would start with solving question on MTTR. So not MTTR, maintainability. Till then, take care. See ya.